What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to talk about Amazon FBA private labeling. Now, I get a lot of questions from people, and the questions really range from very basic questions to more advanced stuff that you learn, if you took a course or spent hours watching YouTube videos, okay? But I want to answer one of the questions I get most often is, how much money does it really take to start a private label product? Okay? And I want to answer that question because I think if you don't know the correct answer, then you might dive in prematurely and you could lose the money that you did invest or that you have saved up. So, the first thing that you need to understand is a lot of people are going to tell you you need $1,000, you need $1,500, you need $5,000. And to be honest, you don't even need that much, okay? Let me give you an example, okay? I had a product just recently, okay? It only cost me $180, and that was for 150 units, okay? Manufactured over in China, and that was including shipping, okay? Cost me $180, okay, for 150 units. It was a very inexpensive product. I sold it for about $13, so I made a great profit off of it. But it's one of those items that's few and far between where you pay only $180, okay, for 150 units, okay? That's really good, okay? A little bit over $1 a unit, not bad. But in some cases, you're going to manufacture things that are bigger, that are heavier, that, the materials cost more. And so in some instances, you're going to pay $500 for your products, and that's for only 100 or 200 units. You might pay $1,000 or $2,000, and that's just the product itself. Then you still got to calculate in your shipping fees, okay? And that could be a big issue, okay? And that's one of the things I talk about inside my course is really how much does it cost to ship a product? How do you negotiate your price plus shipping, okay? And that's one of the things I do is I like the actual manufacturer to handle all the shipping. I don't want to do it. I don't have an interest in it. I don't care about it. I let them do it. I might pay a little bit more, but that's what they're there for. Okay, they understand how to do it. They worry about that stuff all the time. So I let them deal with it. And I just keep my hands clean, don't touch it, and I wait for the product to show up to me. Okay, so I do price plus shipping. All right, and so in most cases I pay a little bit extra for it, but I'm not dealing with it. Okay, so how much does it really cost to start private labeling? One thing you need to understand is people are going to tell you it takes a whole, 500, 1,000, 15, 2,000, 5,000, whatever it is, okay? And they're not lying to you, but they're also not telling you the absolute truth is, can you start with less? Yes, you can. Can you start with more? Obviously, you can. But the reason I don't tell you this is because even though you can get into a product, even though I could get into that product for $180 for 150 units, and that was shipped, the reason I was able to do that is because I didn't tell you how much I had to pay to advertise that product, okay? I actually only paid $40, and that was all through pay-per-click, PPC, and so I did it all off of Facebook, and I advertised that product on Facebook, and I sold it. I built up a little bit of buzz, built up some interest, and sold my product, okay? So I paid $40 for that. What if I needed to have pictures taken, professional pictures? That could be, a $50, payment right there, a $100 payment right there. Okay? That's something that you don't think about. What if you don't have Jungle Scout and you need to get the Chrome extension or the web app? There's $100 right there. Okay? For the Chrome extension. Or I think it's less than that, but anyway, you get the point. And let's say I need packaging. Let's say my manufacturer didn't do packaging. There might be an extra 50 cents per product. If I have 150 products, that means I'm going to pay 75 cents I'm going to pay $75, okay, for 150 units just to get it packaged. And then you got shipping to Amazon. If you ship it to your house or your office or wherever, then you still have to box it up, ship it to Amazon, okay? And so all these fees do add up, okay? They honestly do. So in my honest opinion, how much money do you need to start? In my honest opinion, I would say $1,000. $1,000 is seriously enough money to, number one, you can find a good product. that doesn't have a lot of competition. And if you're struggling to find a product, okay, I'm going to put a discount code down below. It's going to give you 50% off my Amazon FBA private label course. And that does include help from me. I will help you, mentor you, get you in the right direction to pick a product that you are comfortable with. That's going to make you some money. All right. So, number one, taking the course is going to help you choose that product. Number two, I'm going to walk you through my personal strategy for promoting the products that I have. Okay. I had, at the most, I had almost 50 private label products, individual private label products. And since, probably a couple months ago, I since liquidated a bunch of those. And now I'm down to, I think, 34 different private label products. So I can tell you right now, I do know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of stuff out there. I have a huge list of items that I'm thinking about private labeling. And I just want you guys to know, it's not dead. Private labeling is not dead. Amazon FBA is not dead. Okay, this whole business, it's in its infancy. It's still brand new. Jump in while you can, but jump in with educated feet. Okay, that's the difference. Don't just dive in. Okay, head first, feet first, whatever you want to call it, whatever the metaphor is. I'm telling you, jump in with educated feet. That just simply means you educate yourself. You feel comfortable with the decisions that you're making. You're going to invest your money wisely in a product that you know you will get the money back. All right. If you have questions on how to choose a product, you can let me know down in the comment section below. Go and take the course if you want to. Watch a bunch of free YouTube videos. That's what they're here for. Watch the videos. Compile all that information. A course, it's just going to take that 100 hours worth of watch time and cut it down to like 5. So if time's of the essence, time is valuable to you, consider a course. All right. So I want to answer one more thing. Not only is $1,000 going to be enough to get your private label product up and running, get it advertised correctly, get your listing done, okay, have a professional Amazon account, okay, but also $1,000 is going to give you that ability and that comfort level where if you make a little mistake, you don't make as much, you don't make 100% ROI, okay, you don't make as much as you thought you did. What that's going to do is you're still going to make a little bit of money. Or you can take the money that you saved and you can invest in more advertising. You can invest in some different promotional tactics. And again, all that stuff I talk about inside the course. Or you can take some of that money and invest it into the next product. That's usually what I do is after I get one that's doing pretty well, I'll then take some of the profit and I'll invest it into another product. Something else that, number one, it will probably complement the product that I have. So when I have an actual audience, when I have an email list or I have a Facebook fan page or group, I can not only promote that one product, I can promote both products. Maybe give a discount to the people that buy that existing product. I'm going to give them a discount for the new product that I launch. Because when you do that, what happens is that doesn't just entice the people to buy that one product, but now you're giving them a way to see that next one. Because in most cases, they never do. So when you have two products that complement each other, that's one way you can do it, all right? So again, if you have any questions on private labeling, let me know. You can ask them down in the comment section below. Go and take the course. If you've ever had any questions on how to private label a product on Amazon, I show you how to do that. I walk you through the steps. Again, I am here to help you out. Okay, so I'm going to give you that 50% off. You have to use the link down in the description box below. But if you have questions, just ask the question inside of an email and I'll help you out. Simple as that. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you are ready to start making money on Amazon FBA and specifically with private labeling, first hit that thumbs up button. Okay. Then go and subscribe. Okay. All right. Do that. Anyway, so you guys have fun. Hopefully you can make it in this business. I say hopefully because most people don't make it. Not because they don't put in the time. They don't make it because they put in the time and they quit before they order their first product. Don't do that, all right? So again, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.